Hey guys, so the last video we went over REPL, and now we're getting ready to go over another resource that we're going to be using as we learn new things about coding and how to build websites. So I'm going to go ahead and make this smaller. And so this is the document that I was talking about earlier in the last video that everybody has received as we've gone through the classes. Let's see, and I'm going to go ahead and put this document in the notes or in the comments section on this video that you'll be receiving. So hopefully that will help you in case that you don't have it or you missed a class or whatever. But okay, so we talked about REPL on this last video. So on this video, we're going to talk about w3schools. So w3schools is an online platform that has a lot of great help and tips and tricks when it comes to learning how to write code. It kind of breaks it down. What we'll be going over is HTML and CSS and JavaScript, but there's a lot of other things that you can do in here. If you get curious about anything, please feel free to just kind of explore. The best way to learn is to be curious. So w3schools, back in here. So you can click on Learn HTML, and it'll go over the introduction. Tells you what it stands for. It'll give you some examples. And as you see these examples, you can click Try It Yourself. And you can see if I make any changes here on this left-hand side, and do another paragraph, my second paragraph, and click Run, you can see it appears on this right-hand side. So anything we do on the left-hand side is going to appear on the right-hand side. And whenever you're practicing or you're trying to learn anything new, this is a really great place to just practice and see what works and see what doesn't. So let's go ahead and close that out. And then it goes over just like all the little tiny details of everything. Don't worry so much about memorizing everything. The best way to learn about this is just to do it and know that you can go to this as a resource whenever there's something you're wanting to do and you don't know how to do it, and you just you go in here and you figure it out. And you practice, you try and you practice, and you're going to have failures, but you're also going to have successes. And it's really important to remember that the failures are just as important as these successes are. So let's go ahead and I'm trying to think what else. Okay, so there was something else. There's exercises in here if you want to have some exercises. You can, let's see, it looks like you will get 1 point for each correct answer. So if you want to make it a game, a competition with your friends, you can do that. So start HTML exercises. And it says add a tooltip to the paragraph below with the about w3schools. So you can see how if you're, let's see, yes. So you can see how you can navigate this and, just kind of learn from it. Everybody's got their own style, how they want to learn. And you can click Show Answer. And it's important to know that it's okay to look at the answers as long as you're learning from the answers. And that's what's important, as long as you're learning. Look at the answers and then realize that's the answer and just learn from it. And hopefully next time you might not have to look at the answers to know what it is. Okay, so this is a great way to kind of practice writing tags, the correct tags. Because if, let's see, and say I do a typo and I don't have the closing slash or the forward slash to indicate the closing tag and hit show answer, it's going to give me the correct answer. So, that's important to know as well, that, whenever you try something, if you don't get it right, it's going to give you the correct answer later on. So it's about learning. It's about being curious. So that's really important to remember. So just to kind of recap, W3schools is a great resource to learn about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And after you complete a couple of tutorials here, go ahead and go to the exercises. See what you know and see what you don't know and learn from it. It's okay to not know the stuff as long as you're learning from it. So hopefully this is going to give you some resources to go to as we go through this course. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.